to part 2 of an overview of orders and positions window. The notification settings allow you to identify when and how you will be notified of events relating to your orders. Before setting preferences, choose whether the settings will apply to all accounts or to a particular account using the drop-down. The default settings will not overwrite settings you select for a specific account or instrument. Select the Confirm checkboxes to receive confirmation messages for the listed situations. Select the Pop-ups checkboxes to receive notification when orders are filled or partially filled. Select the checkboxes to highlight, blank, or both highlight and blank the DOM Trader or order ticket when an order is filled or partially filled. A highlight is an uninterrupted color change to the display, which lasts a few seconds. If you choose both blank and highlight, then the blank is followed by the highlight. Numerous sound or WAV files are included with CQG. Select one from the drop-down menu. You may also select a WAV file from another source by clicking Browse in the drop-down menu. Risk settings allow you to set maximum order size and maximum position size, as well as the values for quantity buttons. Before setting preferences, choose whether the settings will apply to all accounts or to a particular account using the drop-down. Also choose whether the settings will apply to all symbols or a particular symbol. The symbol must be highlighted if you are setting preferences for that symbol. The default settings will not overwrite settings you select for a specific account or instrument. To add a symbol to the tradable symbols list, click the Add Symbol button and select Enter the symbol or select one from the list in the Add Tradable Instruments window, then click OK. To remove a symbol from the Tradable Instruments list, click a symbol to select it and click the Delete Symbol button. The limit and stop settings allow you to define limit order types: stop, stop limit, DOM triggered stop, and DOM triggered stop limit values. Before setting preferences, choose whether the settings will apply to all accounts or to a particular account using the drop-down. Also choose whether the settings will apply to all symbols or a particular symbol. The Limits versus Stops setting determines the distance in ticks from the current bid and ask values in which the system should place a limit order versus a stop order. Choose your preference stop order type. The choices are Stop, DOM Triggered Stop, Stop Limit, DOM Triggered Stop Limit, Trailing Stop, DOM Triggered Trailing Stop, Trailing Stop Limit, DOM Triggered Trailing Stop Limit. You can export orders and positions information to Excel. You can view statement reports for both local and non-local accounts. You should generate only one report at a time so as not to overload your system. Click the Setup button on the toolbar or right-click the account you wish to see a report for and click Statement Report. The Statement Report window opens. For local accounts, starting and ending date, orders, order fills, and order status filters will not be available. Order options are also not available if you are not logged on to trade. Only calendar days with historical data will be available as the starting or ending dates. If none exist, then starting and ending dates will not be available. To save the data to an Excel spreadsheet, click the Excel Spreadsheet button, choose a date range and the location to save the file to. To save the data in an HTML file, click the HTML button. Choose the information you want to include in the report by selecting the trades, orders and its subcategories, purchases and sales, account value summary, open position summary, and cash adjustments checkboxes. Click OK. HTML files will open immediately. Excel files will open after being exported and saved to the location you selected. The files are saved as an Excel file. The first date is the date and time you exported the data, and the second date is the date covered in the report. If you rename reports, please note that a report that is saved to the same location and with the same name as an existing report will overwrite the earlier report. You will receive an error message if you have selected orders but have not selected an order status filter, or you have not selected an information checkbox, or the location you're saving to does not exist, or the starting date is later than the ending date. This concludes our video and overview of the Orders and Positions window. Thank you.